welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show that how to delete your YouTube subscription, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So if you don't want to make any mistake, just make sure to watch the full video to the very end, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all just simply open up your YouTube app, and then after that just tap on subscriptions option. Here it will show all of the channel to whom you have subscribed. Just simply tap on the all option, and then if you want to unsubscribe someone, just simply tap on this bell icon and click on unsubscribe. So that's how you can easily unsubscribe someone on YouTube. So if you have changed your mind, you want to just simply subscribe again, just tap on subscribe. So that's how you can easily delete your subscriptions on YouTube. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment below and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.